Alright guys, in this video we're going to learn that how you can build MDI or multi-document interface window in Pyside2. So in a GUI application sometimes you may need to open multiple documents or multiple windows. Now for this reason, for this purpose you can use MDI. So now let's just create this. First we need some imports, and let me change this to QMainWindow, and we need QMainWindow. We need a QMDI sub window and also QMdiArea. Okay, so first of all, at the top I'm going to just create a variable of count and initialize this to 0. So after this, in the init UI, I'm going to create my MDI object, so self.mdi QMDI area, and after this I'm going to just set this as a central widget, so self.set central widget, and I'm going to set the self.mdi. Okay, now after this I'm going to just create a menu bar, so self.menu bar, and also now we need to create just a file menu, so add a menu, and this is file. Now we need to add some actions to this, so file dot add action, so we are going to just add new file dot add action, so this is cascade, and file dot add action, this is tiled. Okay, so now if you run this you will see that we have our MDI area, and this is the MDI area where we are going to create our windows, and this is our menu bar and menu items. Okay, so after this, now we need to just create a new method in here. I'm going to just call it diff window triggered, and just we are going to pass p also. So now we are going to check if p.text is new. We are going to just create new sub windows, so we can just say window widget dot count and window widget dot count plus 1. And now we need to create a QMDI sub window, and now we need to set a widget to our sub window. I'm going to just set a text edit, so set widget, and we need a Q text edit. Also we need to import this, so alt enter, and now we have imported the Q text edit. So after this, now we need to just set the title for our sub windows, so set window title. So this is for every sub window we want to set the text edit, and also for every sub window we need to set a title. So we are going to just say sub window dot format window widget dot count, and after this we can just say self.mdi dot add sub window, and we are going to just add sub in here, and at the end we need to show the sub window, so self.show. So this was if our text is new, or if a user press the new item from the menu bar. Now we are going to just check that if our text is cascade, so we have it's cascade. So if this is the case, we are going to just say self.mdi dot cascade sub windows, and if p.text is tiled, we are going to just say cell.mdi.tile subwindows. Now after creating of this, we need to just connect this with our file. So you can just use the triggered signal for this, and in here we can say file dot triggered, and we are going to just pass Q action. We need to import the Q action. Alt enter, and now it's imported. Dot connect, it's not imported. Yeah, it's imported, and we're going to just connect with this window triggered. So we can say self dot window triggered. Now let me just run this. Okay, now if I click on the new, you can see I have new sub window. Now you can see we have a text edit in the sub window. And if I say new, you can see we have another sub window with a text edit, and you can just new, and now, so the problem we have in here, we don't have the, okay, so there is no problem. If I click on the cascade, so now you can see it's cascade. If I click on the tiled, you can see it's tiled. So the problem is, and here is that we are not receiving, for example, sub window 1, sub window 2. So I think we have just problem in here. Let me just change this to plus window widget dot count, and so yeah, we need to just typecast this with a string. And now let me just run this. And if I say new, okay, now you can see we have new window 1, new window 2, new window 3, and cascade and tiled. So like this you can work with the MDI windows in Pyside2.